Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we're indulging in a luxurious culinary experience with our butter garlic chicken. Picture succulent chicken bathed in a velvety blend of butter and garlic. It's comfort food at its finest. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm delighted to guide you through this flavor-packed journey. Before we dive into this indulgence, let's gather our ingredients. For the chicken marination, 250 g chicken breast cut into cubes. Salt to taste. Half a teaspoon crushed black pepper. 2-3 tablespoons refined flour. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Oil for frying. To make the sauce, 2 tablespoons oil. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons chopped garlic. 2-3 spring onion bulbs, quartered. 1 teaspoon spicy chili flakes. 1/4 of a teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Juice of half a lemon. 1/2 cup chicken stock or water. 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, use half of using dark. 2 tablespoons cornstarch slurry. To garnish, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander. 2 tablespoons spring onion greens. Cut the chicken into large chunks and marinate with salt and pepper for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the flour and cornstarch and mix well. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry chicken cubes till golden and crispy. Once chicken cubes are removed, pat chicken cube with paper towel to remove excess oil. Once that's done, let's move on to making the sauce. Heat oil and butter in a pan. Add the garlic and spring onion bulbs and fry for 30 seconds. Add the chili powder and chili flakes and cook for another 30 seconds. Add the lemon juice, chicken stock or water and bring it to a boil. Add the soy sauce and cornstarch slurry and thicken the gravy. Season with salt and pepper and add the fried chicken. Garnish with coriander and spring onions and toss well. And there you have it, your butter garlic chicken, a luxurious indulgence ready to be enjoyed. Serve hot with rice or noodles. If you're ready to turn a regular meal into a culinary masterpiece, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gourmet recipes. Enjoy this decadent journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!